Hi guys, have a nice day and thank you for watching English Carabao. So, ito po, isang ginagawa namin dito sa Dubai. Let's say, holiday, kasi nga today is National Day. So, marami sa mga kasamahan ko rito sa bahay ang walang trabaho. So, breakfast time. Kakain kami sa McDonald's. So, walang magluluto. Sama kayo guys, ha? Si RJ, makulit. Yan, sasama siya. Teka na, bumangon ka na dyan, boy. Grabe, ang halay ng kasuotan mo pala pag natutulog ka. Halika na.
Bakit?
Baba ka na, makakaingat tayo sa McDonald's. Teka na. Yeah, sunod ka na lang, ha. Mag-formal attire ka. Maiya ka naman. Sama kayo sa Mega. Come on. Yeah, so, buong pamilya kami aalis. Makaw! Hi! Come here! Say hi to them. Say hi. Hi! Hi, guys!
Hi guys! I am going to McDo and I'm going to eat at McDo.
Of course, you cannot buy Jollibee in McDonald's. Okay?
Yes, and I will play.
Hi!
I will play in the McDo.
Okay.
Later, guys.
Bye! See you around.
Bye, guys. I'll see you around.
So what is your favorite in McDonald's?
French fries.
You like French fries?
Yes.
What else?
Nuggets.
Oh, you like chicken nuggets?
Chicken nuggets and French fries.
Me, I like orange juice only.
I like strawberry juice.
Oh, I think they don't have strawberry juice. Come on, the car is there. Let's go inside.
Because it's very hot there.
So you want juices? Oh, I'll open the door for you. Papa Romy will open. We'll go inside. Come on, let's eat. It's 10 o'clock. We have to eat. Bye. It's almost 11. Breakfast time 11.
Yung 200.
Ano na to?
200
Brunch.
yun.
Look at you, ate, oh.
Oo, parang ganun.
Ah.
250 way. So,
Hey, God.
from papunta ka dun, pwede ka daw magpasundo.
See?
Yung sa may...
Tita Merly.
Yan sa may tipanan.
Apo nyo. Lalaki na.
Gakalak Tower dun. Pwede daw yun natin sundo.
Alright.
Ang...
Happy holiday.
Happy holiday!
Apaw.
We're going to Albustan McDonald's. Let's go. Come on, come on.
Come on!
Hindi mo kilala ka ni ate.
Romy. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? You're hungry na?
Baka nga, Megan, lakad.
Sabi sa'yo si Jojo. Sabi mo dyan.
Grabe, buong pamilya nandito. Wala lang si Mami Carol saka si Christopher. McDonald's is over there. So we'll go, huh? You know, I'm so handsome. Do you believe I'm handsome? Huh? So, am I handsome?
Yeah?
Handsome daw ako. Handsome. Joke lang, bata talaga marunong magbiro. Ay, ito. Nag-breakfast tayo.
Ganon, matuto ka din makasama para.
Ano na, Nel?
Sa country nila meron silang flag ng UAE. Yan, UAE flag. Holiday kasi. Wow, Megan, you're playing with ate? Ay, oh, careful ah.
Ate.
May malakas naman kasi loob yan ni Megan eh. Oh, that's so high. Oh, you go there inside. Finish the maze. Sino mo na sa loob?
Hi.
Papa.
Oh, go down. Go down, hindi nga problema. Go down.
Paano siya bababa?
Oh. Oh, gawin ate.
Baba daw. O tayo, pumasok ka na dyan, Mayor.
Hold her hand. She wants to go down. Hold her hand, ate. Wait for her, ate. Wait for her.
Oh, kaya. Mesa nga sa bahay, at as
Migay, go there. Migay,
go there in the circle, oh.
Go there in the circle with her.
Ate, you go first, she will follow you.
There in the circle, dali.
Why, you're scared? Oh my God, you're scared? Why?
Oh, ate. Go down.
You go there, oh, here, oh, in the purple. Then you go down here in the tube. And you're going out. That's it.
Yeah, go there.
And you shoot there. Wala po kayong kasama? Mag-isa lang po kayo?
Wala kasama.
Lonely. Dahil holiday, marami dito mga kotse yung nakaganyan. May mga design ng flag ng UAE. So actually nakakatuwa. Maraming... Taga-Pilipinas ka, kuya?
Eat this one first.
Muna, eat. Ay, mommy. Mommy. Eat muna, eat. Eat. Wait lang, ay, wait lang. Ba naman?
Ate, you want to try this one?
Bakit ni Megan?
Eat, eat. Look at, mommy will break it.
Tulala lang yung pabansang banks yan.
Sige na, Kaz. Oh, stop muna yung eat. Stop. Eat your breakfast.
Ito yung breakfast dito.
Ano?
Okay, coffee time. Dati pa nagkakape, tinatanong lang kung gusto mo with milk, sugar. Pero this time, lalo na dito sa abroad, tatanungin pa ko yung coffee ba Robusta or Arabica. Minsan weird pa, tatanungin sa inyo kung yung coffee daw ba organic or non-organic. Ang hirap na ng buhay ngayon. Pero simple lang namin buhay, dapat yung kape gusto mo malinis o madumi. Dapat ganun lang. McDonald's, we're going home. Po, tapos na po ang breakfast. Mataas ang araw dito.
Buhatin na, bebe.
Uwian na. Wow! Talon-talon. Ayan, maglalamesa daw kami, ha? Promise, maglalamesa tayo? Oo. Oh. Ayan na, naka-record yan.
Sahod na bukas.
Papakain si ano. Ano gagawin mo? Adyan ka ba? Bye guys, paalam. Ang hirap. Chikit natin.
Hi guys, ciao.
Ciao. Okay, we're home. Ito na. Aba, nandito pala sila. Pastor!
Pastor.
Kumusta po? Ayun si pastor namin, no? Mag-church na kayo sa CLSF. But I should give the grace with all that's in my heart. I will sing, I will pray, even in the darkest time, the sorrow and the pain. I will sing, I will pray, lift my hands to honor you, because your word is true. I will sing, I will pray. Kaya tawag ko pala si Pastor, ano?